After removing the late former President Robert Mugabe through a coup in November 2017, President Emmerson Mnangagwa issued a statement pouring glowing tribute to him on the 5th anniversary of his death on 6 September 2019. Sarabira mashoko ari kuda panguva ino achipelengurwa navakomana veThe News Hogs ndopaenda kuti bosubscribe olaika oturn on the bell icon timira munazere The News Hogs wamidanyira chiti. In a long statement today, Mnangagwa described Mugabe as a great freedom fighter and liberator, veteran nationalist, frontline statesman, fervent pan-Africanist, champion of the political and economic liberation of Africa, and a luminaries leader. Mugabe died at Glen Eagles Hospital in Singapore on 6 September 2019, aged 95. He was buried at his Zimba rural home in Mashonaland, West Province, after his family refused to hand over his body for interment at the official Heroes Acre Shrine in Harare, which he built for his former liberation struggle comrades. Mugabe ruled Zimbabwe for 37 years and was the helm of the ruling ZANU-PF for 40 years, leaving the country in ruins. Mugabe, who dominated Zimbabwe's politics for about 4 decades, was a controversial figure whose supporters considered him as a hero, but whose critics branded him a villain and a dictator who left the country in ruins due to his bad leadership, disastrous economic mismanagement, policy failures, corruption, and incompetence, as well as human rights abuse and crimes against humanity, including the Gukuraundi massacres. Thomas Kwarubudiswa panguva ine kuchonekwa kunzi mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa achibudisa the statement yaglorifier the former president wenyika yeZimbabwe Robert Mugabe. Panguva ine kuchonekwa kunzi Robert Mugabe akatukamira or he led a failed government yaonekwa kunzi mapolicies avaiisa neavaiimplementa aingofaila, and now kuri kuonekwa kunzi zvinenge zvakuonekwa kunzi history is now repeating itself again as the ruling party ZANU-PF is continuing to rule, and kuri kuonekwa kunzi things are even getting worse than zvazvaimbova under the rule yaRobert Mugabe. Mbodidzai mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pene comment section medu dzamafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.